When did the rule of the English East India Company come to an end? 1858. When did Sirajuddaulah fight with troops of British East India? 1757. When did Nawaz Sharif become Prime Minister for the first time? 1990. During the rule of Tipu Sultan, which was the capital city of his state Mysore? Srirangapatnam. Which was the last constitutional act of British India? Government of India Act 1935. The book named The Great Tragedy is written by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. South East Treaty Organization (SEATO) was formed in 1954. The cabinet mission arrived in India in 1946. When a Public Representative and Officers Disqualification Act (PRODA) was introduced? 1949. In which battle did Lord Clive defeat Sirajuddaulah? Plassey. Ahmadis declared non-Muslim under which amendment of Pakistan's constitution? Second Amendment. Separate electorate system was introduced for Muslims in which act? Act 1909. The first general election in Pakistan were held on December 7, 1970. The book The Sole Spokesman, Muslim and Demand for Pakistan was written by Aisha Jalal. When did the first Battle of Panipat take place? 1526. Who recalled Muhammad bin Qasim from Sindh? Suleiman bin Abdul Malik. Who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan when martial law was imposed in 1958? Feroz Khan Noon. Spain was conquered by Tariq bin Ziyad. Who battled against Akbar's new syncretist religious Din-e-Ilahi? Sheikh Ahmad Sarhindi. When did Pakistan rejoin the Commonwealth? 1989.